clearly I didn't need these. But I wanted them, man. Y'all see all the orange and Miami colorway sneakers I have. But, man, I had to get these in hand. The Air Jordan 3 Solefly. These are fire. And it helps when you can go to GOAT, find somebody selling it for the low because of damaged box. Makes it even perfect. Not saying I wouldn't have pulled the trigger if not, but to get it $150 less than what the third party is going for right now just because of this little dent in the box, man. I love it, man. I know I've been away for a while, man, but welcome to Sneaker Notes, man. I'm back. Life's been lifing, but I've been copping. So this week, you might get 5, 6, 7 videos of all the things I've been copping. Just because I'm not on screen don't mean I ain't copping. But let's get into a 4K review of the Air Jordan 3 Soleflies right now. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. Well, I guess I did need the box a little bit, right? But we'll get through it with the little dent there, man. You get a super dope orange basketball-like. I see the lines on it. Even though this is for the the college football team, but you do get like some nice glossy lines all through the box. They go the Solefly logo there. Well, not the logo. They go the Solefly SF with the state of Florida around it. Nike logo there. Same on that side too. And the front has the Solefly and some kind of signature with the Jordan Jumpman on the top. Get to the bottom here, you get all your bells and whistles. I've been seeing that they've been including Air and Air Zoom and Air Max now. And like a lot of the collabs, man, especially the Armand and Yays I just did, you're getting Air Max and Air Zoom on it too. But you got all that at the bottom. This is a damaged box, but my pockets feel better, man. When you flip it open, same orange in the inside as the outside. It does say Solefly Miami. Let me not forget Miami there, because the name of the sneaker is Miami. You get the green, orange, and red tissue paper. Super dope, because it kind of looked like Christmas, but it is still Miami. That's the U colors again. You get that, and you get this nice bag. Let's get into it. So it's like a nice netting bag. Got that same Solefly Miami logo on it. Pull joint. Dope. I never use these, but whenever you can get accessories in a sneaker, man, it's just always dope. It's a whole bunch of tissue paper here because the sneaker comes wrapped individually, but I had to check them out before we got on camera. And let's start with the right shoe, guys. Here's a 360 view of the Solefly Jordan 3 Miami joints, man. And if you watch the channel, you know I don't really like too much white. But with this one, I understand. And when you get into the leather, look at this leather, guys. Look at that butter soft leather. That had to be approved by Jordan himself, man. Super soft all the way up. Look at it. Look at the butterness of the leather. Look at the tumbleness. This is real great leather, guys. So the all white doesn't really make me mad because of the leather quality, man. You get down here, it's sort of like a sail white or off white. I forgot to read the colors off on the box. It's been a while since I did a review. We'll get back into shape, man. But that's definitely like a little darker white and that Jordan 3 silhouette that we love. In the front, you get that nice green, man. That forest green, that Miami U green. Super dope. Great material. Doesn't go dark to light, but super dope material here, man. You get your stars right there in that orange. Like sort of like a burnt orange. It's not really like that bright orange. That's dope. I wish they would have did dolphins, man. I'd have more to rock, but I like the U colors too, man. Solefly logo imprinted right in it. Right in the UNBOX suede, guys. High braids UNBOX suede too. Like the Cactus 6 joints. But you got the Solefly logo there. Hitting with that green. That's just a dope look, man. Come to the back. They put Nike Air on the booty, guys. They gave us the Nike Air on the booty. Super dope. Jordan 3 tab. This is kind of thick. When you bring it down, got the Solefly logo under it. Super dope Easter egg, man. Dope look, but the Nike on the booty, man, that does it for me, man. Come around, inside, outside, same thing. That leather has to be the star of the show, guys. It has to be, man. You get our orange dots on your shoelace holder. Dope, dope, dope. It comes laced in the white shoelaces. Get a green. That's green, right? Yeah, get a green Jordan, man, at the top of the tongue. Again, it comes in the white shoelaces, but you got your orange here and you got your green here. I would definitely put one of these pairs in to make it pop a little more, but I don't mind the white neither if that's what you're thinking. On the back, get the orange inside, and it says Sunshine State. If you don't know, Miami is also called the Sunshine State. Dope look, man. The inside has the SF for Solefly with the Florida State in it, just like you seen on the box. The bottom got the Nike logo and more green and orange U colors hit. There's no U branding so far, but you do get the Sunshine State, the Solefly on the back, and this is the right side. Here's the left side here, guys. You get the Solefly light tag, Nike Air on one side. Oh, actually, Solefly look like it's covering it. I'm not sure. Let's see. So you get the Nike Air logo there in the back of the SF, and I guess this is just the back, so it looks the same. But they on top of each other. That's for sure. Yeah, man. Same as the right. Nothing's changed. Inside, pull tab still say Solefly. But it's just the buttery soft of this leather, man. It's crazy, man. Nike Air. Yeah, nothing's changed from right to left, man. But this is a pretty sneaker. Yes, sir. So my last video, I know it was like maybe 2 weeks ago, but I remember talking about the EQL raffle and how I used to never hit, now I always hit. And in that video, I said, I hope I didn't jinx myself. I jinxed myself, man. The last 4 or 5 joints I couldn't hit. I couldn't believe I didn't hit these. I knew for sure that money was coming out of my account, but I didn't. And it sat with it, man. And like I showed you in the beginning of the video, I looked at my lobsters. I looked at the Abbey joints. I looked at the Dorito joints. I was like, you already got that colorway, man. But I had to have these, man. Solefly Jordan collabs. The tough ones are so hard to get. I never could get my hands on the ones, and I just gave up. So I had to make sure I got these, man. Right now, resales like $380, $400, and I just kept seeing them creep up by $10, $12, and then I saw somebody with a damaged box had them up there for like $305, and without hesitation, $305. That's Miami's area. Forget it. Had it for like $305, and I had to get it, man. And I had to put these in my collection, man. Very dope sneaker far as the collab, the leather. This leather is soft, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. I got so many videos to get to, guys. But this is a dope one, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.